Starting with foundation, which I totally know what it is. These are called Studio Fix Fluids. I'm assuming these are what I start with. I've been taught to put it on your hands first. It's like a fancy sunblock. I'm gonna try this. This feels right? I think it's supposed to look natural, and this looks better already. I think, is what I'm telling myself. Do I use a brush for this? Do I use a sponge? I feel like I trust the sponge. Oh, right, isn't it like supposed to be like a 3? I think someone once told me it's supposed to be like a 3. Awesome. Awesome. I don't know what banana powder is, but it doesn't smell like banana. I feel like that might be messing it up at the end. I'm not gonna do this. This feels like a bad idea.
You know, I've been watching you from a distance.
Okay.
Just like the Bette Midler song.
I was attempting to do foundation and contouring in under 5 minutes.
Well, it wasn't horrible.
Okay.
Let's take a look.
Good, though granted they're different skin tones. My face and my neck are different colors.
It's not that bad. It's not that far off.
Okay.
And here's why. You didn't really put anything on. To start fresh, we're going to remove what little you put on. Having worked in the makeup industry, having used these foundations before, I know usually a company will label their foundations cool, warm. You can tell if there's more of a gold undertone, pink undertone, or something neutral. These are from MAC, and you see that they are labeled C, and then a number. C stands for cool. NC stands for neutral cool.
Not cool.
So right now I am dumping some colors out onto my little spatula. This is for sanitary reasons. We're gonna start with our dual fiber brush. A dual fiber brush means you get 2 different fibers, hence the name, duo, 2. A nice, dense, yet fluffy, airbrushy feel. See that? Nice and blendy. It's a little too light for my liking. Even with all these bright lights on, I feel like we can kick this up a notch. So, I've grabbed my trusty contour kit. Contour, highlight, foundation, all in one. Now, I am gonna go a little bit darker, but we're not gonna go crazy. So, contouring has been a staple in the drag community for decades. And on the stage and screen, it was made popular probably 20 years ago by a couple of Calabasas creatures. You see?
Yeah.
Buffed, blended. We can even go back in with our foundation brush and blend even more. That's why I say start off with a little and you can add. It's harder to subtract than it is to add. Another reason why I love this little hand palette is for my powder regions. We're going to use this darker powder to set the contour. Put it on and then blend it out with a big, fluffy, let's say it's a medium, big, fluffy brush. I'm going to use this banana powder to set the rest of your face. We're not using a lot because we didn't use a lot of foundation. Just very lightly blotting away excess moisture. Not too much though, because we like the face to have a little bit of a natural dew. And it's nice here in California. You'll go out, you'll sweat a little, your face will develop a nice glow. Ooh. Well, Mason, thank you for being beauty marked by Fena. What do you guys think at home? We did a very nice, wonderful, beautiful application of foundation and contour. Do you think you could do this? Do you think they could do this with my instructions?
Absolutely.
Do you think you could do this now?
Absolutely not. I mean, absolutely.
Better answer. Comment below, tell me what else you'd like me to do. I'll do anything for money. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, swipe up, do the thing, comment, and how do they
Click on the box up here.
That's not what the box says.